Alright guys, let's switch to the normal camera. And today it's a big day for me and for our new robot MiKE, because today or tonight we just start to build his own legs, and this robot will start walk on his own legs. That prototype, MiKE prototype, looks like this. He have kind nice legs. Just the feet there, like this is just a squares, but we're going to design this later. We don't need this really now. And let's focus on his legs. So last night I already start to assemble his first leg. We have an ankle here. Ankle have a two direction to move. We have his knee and we have his base of the leg, and this is his ankle. And we're going to use two 3D printed, designed by me, servo brackets. It's kind huge because the servos which I'm going to use are bigger, 60 kilograms. If you want to compare the size of that servos to normal servos, this is the normal standard servo. This is 25 kilogram servo, and here is this one, 60 kilograms. We simply just connect them like this. They have to click, screw this like this, and we have to do it 4 times. It's for that so robot can tilt front and back, left and right. To install aluminium CNC cutted brackets for this one, and the second one, it's we have to install the bearing inside. So we already have prepared bearings, and simply just put it in and just press it on the table or something. They click, yeah, they fit, and you put this one here in. Bam! Screw this a little bit. Yeah, a little bit gymnastic with the fingers. Now we can screw it more, tight it. Right, now we have to do 2 parts and we have to connect them. So we have to install our bracket. We take a next one and we put 2, and we will put our 3rd screw as well here. Alright, so now we have his both legs. Maybe not ready, but now you can see something, how they looks. Build assembly, his pelvis, his base, his connection between the legs and the whole upper body. With the 2 servos in. And now we have to install leg bases on the 2 parts. We have to install bracket with bearing. So we have to install with more screws or something like this, but this will be really enough. Alright, our robot MiKE first leg is installed. It's quite heavy, about 2-3 kilograms for now. And now it's the time to install a second, the left leg. This is how our legs looks now. Okay, we have to adjust the camera a little bit, I see. Still by self. this is how our legs look now. The robots have no feet yet, but they are ready 3D printed now. So as soon as possible we're going to install them as well. And here is MiKE, and MiKE is waiting for his legs.